welcome back to my channel. My name is Ariane and I'm a luxury travel advisor. Today we're here at Horseshoe Bay, just outside of Vancouver in West Vancouver, and we are going on Sewell's sea safari today. So really excited to bring you along and show you what this is all about. Let's get going. After we checked in, we were provided with survival suits to wear during our boat tour. The boat seats up to 12 people, however there were only 7 of us on board this tour. We started off our Bowen Island Explorer tour with heading up the coastline of Howe Sound. Horseshoe Bay is a popular community because it's a major gateway for the BC Ferries. Darrell was our guide for our sea safari, and he did a great job of giving us information along the way of what we were seeing. One of our first stops was a viewpoint of the Lions, a series of mountain peaks that you can actually hike. The Lions are 1,646 meters and 1,606 meters respectively in elevation. It was so interesting seeing a unique view from the Howe Sound to the Sea Sky Highway that I drive to Squamish and Whistler so often. Another stop was to view some arbutus trees, which are unique to the west coast of North America. We then came across a creek spilling into the Howe Sound and viewing the phenomenon of fresh water mixing with the salt water and the vibrant colors that it produces here. We also made a stop off the coast of Porto Cove, an old ferry terminal which is now a popular provincial park, where there is a day-use area and a campground. Our last stop before we turned around was Britannia Beach. You can see the mill building from quite far away. If you're interested in viewing my video on my visit to the Britannia Mine Museum, I've linked it in the description box below. We then came to Pam Rocks, a natural reserve for birds and seals. There is also a weather station and a beacon on the rocks. There were quite a few harbor seals basking on the various rocks that we saw. It was a beautiful day out on the water enjoying the stunning scenery. However, it was very windy, which made the waves quite large at times. We were given the option to get off on Bowen Island and explore. However, my friend and I decided that we wanted to do this on another day when we had more time. But if you do this tour, know that this is an option and you can ride the BC Ferry one way back to Horseshoe Bay from Bowen Island at no charge as a walk-on passenger. We left Bowen Island just as a BC ferry was pulling into the inlet. We had a great day out on our sea safari with Sewell's Marina. If you're ever visiting Vancouver, make sure to check out this tour. We did the Bowen Island Explorer, which departed at 1:30 p.m. and we got back to Horseshoe Bay at 4:10 p.m. I highly recommend it. Thank you again to Sewell's Marina for hosting my friend and I in partnership with Destination Vancouver. Afterwards, we decided to check out Lighthouse Park in West Vancouver. It was a few years since I had been here, and it was a beautiful hike on very well-maintained trails. I hope you enjoyed this episode highlighting my experience with Sewell's Marina on their sea safari and my visit to Lighthouse Park in West Vancouver. Be sure to subscribe, hitting the subscribe button down below. It does help support my channel. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks again for watching. See you again next week.